It has been a long year here in Balochistan, and it seems in some ways that things have not changed. At the same time, as we look to the year 2010, some things will certainly never be the same. Hello and welcome, I am Syed Ali Shah here in Quetta, and I will be bringing you some of the highlights from the year 2009. And to start with, we'll look at a very personal and human issue that has been in the hearts and minds of people of Balochistan for almost a decade. These children cannot remember the time when their father was at home, and they don't know how or why their father went missing. This is the house of Ali Asghar Bungulzai, who has been missing for the last 8 years. The hollow-cheeked mother of Ali Asghar burst into tears while narrating the ordeal of her broken family. Mr. Bungulzai's sons and daughters have staged protest demonstrations. Despite belonging to a culture where women stay behind the veil, Baloch women have boldly stepped forward. They have blocked roads and staged demonstrations in the hope of triggering a process that will result in the return of their loved ones. His family members accuse members of the secret services for the kidnapping.
After 22 days, Muhammad Iqbal was released. He did press conference in Quetta Press Club and he has recorded his statement in Balochistan High Court. Over there he said that we were arrested by intelligence agencies and still Ali Asghar is in their custody. Ali Asghar has 6 sons and 2 daughters. After the arrest of my father, we left our education and now we are working on daily wages.
I am sitting along with the family members of one of missing persons in Balochistan. This family has been suffering from psychological trauma for last 8 years, since they have no knowledge about the whereabouts of their loved one. Most of the missing Baloch political workers were picked up during Pervez Musharraf regime. Nationalist parties insist that intelligence agencies picked up these political workers to suppress their movement.
You know, we got most of the political workers out. The list we got from some political parties, but some people are missing, and those missing persons are not during the People's Party government. They were by the previous regime. Some people have left for Gulf countries, for Afghanistan, so it will take some time to reach the conclusion that are there really some missing persons or they have left the country.
The grim and harsh reality of forced disappearances has spawned hatred among the people of Balochistan. They ask that if they have been taken because they are guilty of some crime, they should be produced and tried in court of law.
बलोच मिसिंग पर्सन्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पर हमारे साथ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ प्रूफ है कि उनके लोगों को खुफिया एजेंसियों ने उठा के ले गए, और इसके अलावा बहुत सी केसेस ऐसे हम लोगों ने उन्हें इंटरव्यू भी किए जो वहाँ से निकले, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम खुफिया इदारों के टार्चर सेलों में रहे हैं.
2009 was yet another year of turmoil, as Balochistan witnessed a sharp rise in acts of violence. On February 2nd, UNHCR Sub-Office Chief John Suleki was kidnapped from the Chamun housing scheme area of the city. The Baloch Liberation United Front claimed the responsibility. Suleki spent 61 days in captivity and was finally released unhurt.
This is a message to the United Nations. I am not feeling well. I am sick. I'm in trouble. Please help solve the problems soon so that I can gain my release.
Shortly after the release of John Suliki, 3 Baloch leaders including BNM chief Ghulam Muhammad Baloch, Lala Munir and Sher Muhammad Baloch were murdered near the town of Turbat in Balochistan. The incident was followed by the killing of more than 20 people, and the finger of blame pointed once again at intelligence agencies.
नेशनल पार्टी ये समझती है कि इस कत्ल की कुल्लियतन जिम्मेदार ISI का चीफ जनरल पाशा और MI का चीफ मेजर जनरल आसिफ है, और मैं समझता हूं कि ये FIR मेजर जनरल पाशा और मेजर जनरल आसिफ पे काटनी चाहिए.
An issue that leads to more questions than answers. Can families of missing persons look forward to a better 2010? Based on their past experiences, they have all but lost hope. We are going to take a short break. Stay tuned.